Managing your money is important. It's not just about paying bills or saving for a rainy day. It's about creating a roadmap for your future, ensuring that you can achieve your dreams and live comfortably. When you take control of your finances, you're taking control of your life. It helps you reach your goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world, having a solid financial plan makes these dreams attainable. Celebrating financial milestones, no matter how small, can be incredibly rewarding and motivating. It gives you peace of mind. Knowing that you have a plan in place and that you're prepared for the future can reduce stress and anxiety. Financial security allows you to focus on what truly matters in life, like spending time with loved ones and pursuing your passions. You can take charge of your finances. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. This empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid unnecessary debt. A budget is key to financial success. It's a tool that helps you allocate your resources effectively, ensuring that you can cover your expenses while also saving for the future. A well-planned budget can be the difference between financial stability and financial chaos. It helps you track income and expenses. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and find opportunities to save. This awareness is crucial for maintaining a healthy financial balance. With a budget, you can make informed decisions. Whether it's deciding to invest in a new opportunity or cutting back on unnecessary expenses, having a clear picture of your financial situation allows you to make choices that align with your long-term goals. You can start building a brighter future. By saving and investing wisely, you can grow your wealth over time and ensure that you're prepared for whatever the future holds. This proactive approach to financial management can lead to greater opportunities and a more secure retirement. Saving is crucial for unexpected events. Life throws curveballs. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repair, or job loss, having a financial cushion can make all the difference. An emergency fund provides peace of mind and financial stability during challenging times. Having an emergency fund provides a safety net. It's a buffer that protects you from financial hardship and allows you to handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. This safety net is an essential part of a healthy financial plan. It prevents financial hardship during tough times. By having savings set aside, you can navigate through difficult periods without compromising your financial stability. This resilience is key to long-term financial health. By adopting good financial habits, you gain control. Simple practices like regular saving, mindful spending, and continuous learning about personal finance can significantly improve your financial situation. These habits build a strong foundation for financial success. You can achieve your dreams. With discipline and a clear financial plan, you can turn your aspirations into reality. Whether it's buying a dream home, traveling, or securing your family's future, good financial habits make it possible. You can live with financial confidence. Knowing that you have a solid financial plan in place allows you to enjoy life without constantly worrying about money. This confidence can lead to a more fulfilling and stress-free life. Creating a budget is simple. It's a crucial step towards financial stability and achieving your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying off debt, or just trying to manage your day-to-day expenses, a well-planned budget can make all the difference. Start by listing your income sources. This includes your primary job, any side gigs, freelance work, or passive income streams. Knowing exactly how much money you have coming in each month is the foundation of a solid budget. Include your salary, wages, and other income. Don't forget to account for irregular income, such as bonuses or seasonal work. This will give you a complete picture of your financial inflow. Then, list all your expenses. This should cover everything from rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance, to entertainment and dining out. Be thorough and honest with yourself. Track your spending for a month. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs are those that remain the same each month, like rent, while variable costs can fluctuate, like groceries or entertainment. This helps you understand where your money goes. By categorizing your expenses, you can see patterns in your spending habits and identify areas where you might be overspending. You can identify areas to cut back. Maybe you're spending too much on dining out or subscriptions you don't use. Cutting back on these can free up money for savings or other priorities. Once you know your income and expenses, create a budget plan. This plan should outline how much you'll allocate to each category of spending. Make sure to include savings and emergency funds in your plan. Allocate your income to different categories. Prioritize essential expenses first, then allocate funds to discretionary spending and savings. This ensures that your basic needs are met before spending on non-essentials. Ensure your expenses are less than your income. Set realistic goals. It's important to be realistic about what you can achieve. Setting unattainable goals can lead to frustration and make it harder to stick to your budget. Your budget should align with your financial situation. If your income changes, adjust your budget accordingly. Flexibility is key to maintaining a budget that works for you. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Life changes, and so should your budget. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments to meet your financial goals. Make it work for you. A budget is a living document. It should evolve with your financial situation and help you achieve your goals. Stick with it, and you'll see the benefits over time. Tracking your daily expenses is crucial. It keeps you aware of your spending habits. You can identify areas where you can save. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. Choose a method that suits you best. Record every expense, big or small. Categorize your expenses for better analysis. This allows you to see where your money is going. You can make adjustments accordingly. Regularly review your tracked expenses. Identify patterns and areas for improvement. Stay mindful of your spending habits. Saving money is essential. It provides financial security and peace of mind. Saving allows you to reach your goals. An emergency fund is crucial for unexpected events. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund covers you during emergencies. Saving helps you make big purchases. You can avoid going into debt. Saving allows you to invest and grow your wealth. Start saving early and be consistent. Even small amounts add up over time. Make saving a habit. Section 5. Building your emergency fund. In this section, we will guide you through the essential steps to create a robust emergency fund that can provide a financial safety net during unexpected situations. Start by setting a savings goal for your emergency fund. This goal should be realistic and achievable, based on your current financial situation and future needs. Consider factors like your monthly expenses, income stability, and any potential risks you might face. Determine how much you need to save. A good rule of thumb is to have enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This amount can vary depending on your personal circumstances, such as whether you have dependents or a single source of income. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This range provides a cushion that can help you manage through job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen financial challenges without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Open a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Keeping this money separate from your regular checking account helps you avoid the temptation to spend it on non-emergencies. This keeps your savings separate and clearly defined. It's important to have a dedicated place for your emergency fund so you can easily track its growth and ensure it's only used for true emergencies. It prevents you from accidentally spending it. By isolating your emergency fund, you create a psychological barrier that makes it less likely you'll dip into it for everyday expenses or impulse purchases. Automate regular transfers to your emergency fund. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account ensures that you consistently contribute to your savings without having to think about it. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account. This way, you can treat your emergency fund contributions like any other bill, making it a regular part of your financial routine. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Just as you wouldn't skip paying your rent or mortgage, you shouldn't skip contributing to your emergency fund. This mindset helps prioritize your savings. Cut expenses or find additional income sources to boost your savings. Look for areas in your budget where you can reduce spending, such as dining out or subscription services. Alternatively, consider taking on a side job or freelance work to increase your income. Explore side hustles or freelance opportunities. Every bit counts. Even small amounts can add up over time, helping you reach your emergency fund goal faster and providing greater financial security. Section 6. Smart Ways to Save. Reduce your monthly bills. Negotiate lower rates for cable, internet, or insurance. Look for deals and discounts. Small changes can lead to big savings. Save on groceries by planning meals and buying in bulk. Take advantage of coupons and loyalty programs. Reduce food waste by eating leftovers. Find affordable entertainment options. Explore free or low-cost activities in your community. Enjoy parks, libraries, and community events. Shop around for the best deals. Compare prices before making purchases. Take advantage of sales and clearance events. Section 7. Sticking to your budget. Review your budget regularly. Make adjustments as needed. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. Avoid impulse purchases. Plan your purchases in advance. Give yourself time to consider if you really need the item. Find a budgeting buddy. Share your goals and hold each other accountable. Support each other's financial journey. Stay motivated and focus on your goals. Visualize the financial security you are creating. Remember the reasons why budgeting is important to you. Section 8. Achieving financial freedom. Budgeting and saving are essential for financial freedom. They empower you to take control of your money. You can reach your goals. Financial freedom means having choices. You can pursue your passions. You can live life on your terms. By managing your money wisely, you create a secure future. You can retire comfortably. You can leave a legacy for your loved ones. Embrace the journey to financial well-being. It's a continuous process. Enjoy the rewards of your efforts. Section 9. Take control of your future. Remember, financial management is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate your progress along the way. Small steps lead to big results. Start today, no matter how small. Consistency is key. Take control of your finances. Create a budget, track your expenses, and save consistently. Build a solid foundation for your future. You have the power to achieve financial well-being. Enjoy the peace of mind and freedom that come with it.